Indications of विरेचन कर्म. पित्तज व्याधि, श्लेष्म संप्रुत पित्तज व्याधि, पित्त स्थानगत व्याधि, रक्तज व्याधि लाइक कुष्ठ, विसर्प, वात रक्त, पांडु, कामला, पक्षाघात, श्वास स्पेशली तमक श्वास, अम्लपित्त, आमवात, ज्वर, उदर, गुल्म एक्सेट्रा. In healthy season, Sharad Ritu, we will also perform Virechan Karma in healthy individual. As a Purv Karma for Rasayana and Vajikarma, also we used Virechan Karma. Contraindications of Virechan Karma. Patient like pregnant woman, Sukumar, Ruksha, Chodita, शोकार्थ, भयार्थ, कृश, बाल, वृद्ध, दुर्बल are contraindicated for Virechan Karma, and other are Amavastha like Navajwar, Ajeen also a contraindicated for Virechan Karma, and Adho Pravarti like Atishar, Adhograk Pikt also not suitable for Virechan Karma. Gudaj Rog like Chhataj Gud, Muktanal etc. also not suitable for Virechan Karma. Now we will discuss the steps of Virechan procedure. Whole Virechan procedure can be classified into three major parts. First one is Puru Karma or pre-operative procedure. Second one is Pradhan Karma or main operative procedure. Third and last one is Paschat Karma or post-operative procedure. In Puru Karma, we will discuss about Pachan and Deepan, Abhyantar Snehapan, Bahaya Snehapan, Swedan, Ahar Vishesha, Upayog. And in Pradhan Karma, we will learn Virechan Yoga administration, how we'll administer the dose of Aushadhi and observations of symptoms. And in Paschat Karma, we will assess the Virechan, type of Virechan and Sansajan Kram, do's and don'ts after Virechan. So first we will learn about Deepan Pachan. In Deepan Pachan, to pacify the arm, we will use Apachan Vati 1 gram thrice and Chitrakadi Vati 1 gram 3 times a day. And Panchkol Churn 2 gram thrice a day for 3 to 7 days or till Nirmana Lakshan and Agni Dipti is achieved. Second one is internal oleation or Abhyantar Snepan. Sodhanang Snepan, selection of Sneha, dose, duration, dose pattern. We will select which Sneha is suitable in this particular disease. What is the duration? It depends on Agni of individual patient and food pattern, food habits of patient. Dose pattern. Dose also vary or differentiate as per different types of disease and disease person. Sneha. First Sneha we will discuss about Sneha. Select preferably Murchid Suddha Sneha or plain ghee or oil medicated Sneha as per the patient and disease. Dose duration pattern for 3 to 7 days in increasing dose early in the morning in empty stomach as per Agni Val and Coast or till Samyak Snigdh Lakshan achieved. Start with test dose or Harswasi Matra. Bhai Snehan and Swedan Karma. Bhai Snehan can be done by til or any indicated oil in particular disease for 10 to 30 minutes. Sarvang Vaswedan or Nadi Swedan, whole body steam bath can be performed on patient for 5 to 15 minutes. 2 times a day for 3 days after internal oleation. Or we can perform only 1 time in a day also as per disease and disease person. Now, dietary management during procedure. What should be given to the patient during pre-procedure or main procedure of Virechan Karma? Then Odan, Mudag use, Jangal Mas Ras with little amount of fat, spice and salt in moderate quality. Sour fruits like grapes, frequent drinking of warm water, no complex food is permitted. Means low fat diet should be given to the patient. As Charak described, in Sutristan, स्नेहवद द्रव उष्णम च त्रिहम भुक्त्वा रसोदनम द्रवोष्ण अनव्यसन्धि भोज्यम अन्नम प्रमाणत नात स्निग्धम असंकीर्णम स्व स्नेहम पातुम मिच्छता. Now assessment of the day of Virechankar. What steps can we assess on the day of Virechankar? First one is assess for Jeerna Ahar Lakshan. Whether previous night meal has digest or not digested. Proper digestion of food taken on previous day. Proper clearance of natural urge. Patient had proper sleep in night. No cough vriddhi lakshan develop in patient. Administered Sarvang, Abhyang and Svedam. Time of administration after passing cough call about 10 to 12 noon. Administration of Virechana Yoga. Selection of Virechana Yoga as per the Prakriti, Coast, Bal, Dos, etc. The yoga of or dose of yoga can be differentiated in patient to patient. Give it in empty stomach with suitable anupan like Trifla Kwath, Draksha Usnodak, Sitodak, Madhu, etc. Patient is to be advised to clean his mouth with warm water, sprinkle cold water on face and smell something like lemon, etc. As Sitambuna Pitavatascha Tasya Sinchir Mukh Chardi Vigat Hetu Hridyanscha Mrittu Pushpa Phala Pravalamapan Cha Dadhyatam Jigra Granartham. Take rest waiting for the urge of defection without going into sleep. Warm water should be used frequently for drinking in little quantity. Examination of vitals like BP, pulse before, in between, and after completion of Virechan Veg. Guideline after administration of yoga. Ask the patient not to close the door of toilet, hot water gargling, have some fragrance, intake of water, Usna Jal or Sita Jal. Vega should not be induced or retained. Time should be noted. Keen observation of content of Vega. Avoid sleep. Tambul Sevan. Avoid Sital Vihara. Now Virechan Ausad Matra or dose of Virechan drugs. It can be differentiated as per Kalpana of Ausadi like Kwath, Kalk, Swaras, Usnoda. First one is Kwath in Heen Mriddu Coast, 2 tola, in Madhyam Matra, 4 tola, in Uttam Matra or Crude Coast, 8 tola. Kalk Chun and Modak, it should be 1 tola in Mridu Coast or Heen Matra, and in Madhyam Coast 2 tola is preferred. Uttam or Crude Coast 4 tola is preferred. In Swaras form, we can use 1 tola in Mridu Coast, 2 tola in Madhyama Coast, and 4 tola in Uttam or Crude Coast. Usnodak, if we use lukewarm water, 4 tola for Mridu Coast, 8 tola for Madhyama Coast, and 12 tola for Crude Coast. Uttam 2 pal, Madhyam 1 pal, our half pal, as per Vesaj Siddhi. 1 to 3 Tola is mentioned for Mradu, Madhyam and Krur. Now assessment of Virechana Yoga. In assessment of Virechana Yoga, we will see or learn about number of Vega. How many Vega had been come out in patient. Initially, 2-3 weeks of fecal matter are excluded. Time of Vega, approximately quantity, color of faces, and consistency of faces. In assessment of Suddhi, there are three types of Suddhi: Heen, Madhyam, and Pravar. In Vegiki Suddhi, in Heen, 10 Vega can be come out. In Madhyam Suddhi, 20 Vega can be come out. In Pravar Suddhi, 30 Vega can be come out. And in Maniki Suddhi, 2 Prasth in Heen Suddhi, in Madhyam Suddhi, 3 Prasth, and in Pravar Siddhi, 4 Prasth quantity can be come out from patient. In Antiki Suddhi, in Heen, Madhyam, and Pravar, Kafan is the Antiki symptom. In Laingiki Lakshan, स्रोतो विशुद्धि इंद्रिय संप्रसादो लघुत्वम ऊर्जो अग्नि अनावयत्वम प्राप्तिश्च विटपित्त कफ अनिलानाम समग्र विरिक्तश्च भवेत क्रमेण एच पर चरक सिद्धिस्तान फर्स्ट अयोग एंड अतियोग ऑफ विरेचन इन अयोग अग्निमांद्य कंडू पिड़िका वातसंग विटसंग कैन बी सीन इन पेशेंट एंड इन अतियोग अंगमर्द बेपतु बलाभाव किलम तृष्णा भ्रम तम प्रवेश नेत्र प्रवेश एसेट्रा कैन बी सीन इन पेशेंट. In post-Virechan regime, patient must be follow Sansajan Kram or planned diet. Why this procedure? Patient Agni can be restored as previous and in normal state. As Charek described, Piya Vilepim Akratam Kratam Cha Yusham Rasam Tridudartha Ekasya Kramena Seveta Vishuddha Kaya Pradhana Madhya Avara Suddhi Suddha यथा अणु अग्नि तृणगोमात्यै संयुक्षमाणो भवति क्रमेण महान स्थिर सर्वपचस्तथैव शुद्धस्य पेयादिभिः अंतराग्नि. Peya means thin rice gruel. Vilepi means thick rice gruel. In Modak use green gram soup. It can be two type, Krit or Akrit. Mas ras also can be two type, Krit or Akrit. For 3, 2 and Annakal for Pravar Madhyam and Avar Suddhi respectively. In Pradhan Suddhi, the Sansajan Kram must be followed for 7 days. In first day, in morning, no any diet can be given to patient. The planned diet schedule should be followed by evening. By Peya, next day Peya should be continued, and third day Vilepi should be continued. Fourth day Vilepi in morning, and after evening Akriti use can be start. Fifth day Kriti use in both time. Sixth day Akrita Masras and Krita Matras can be given, and 7 day Krita Masras in morning diet, and in evening patient can be take normal diet. In Madhyam Suddhi, this schedule can be performed for 5 days. In morning, no diet. In evening or first day, Peya can be given. Second day, in morning, Peya can be given. Second day, evening, Vilepi can be given. On third day, in morning, Vilepi can be given. In evening of third day, Akriti use can be given. On fourth day, Kriti use in morning and Akrit Mas Ras in evening. And in fifth and final day, in morning, Krit Mas Ras can be given, and in evening, patient can be take normal diet. Do's and don'ts and post-Virechan regime. After the subsiding of Vegas and ensuring Jeen Ausad Lakshan, patient is to be advised to take warm water bath in evening. Dietetics should be advised as per the Suddhi achieved once the patient feel hunger. Regimen. Avoid exposure to Pravat, drinking cold water, Guru Ahar, Vyayam, Mathun. As विरेचने निषिद्ध कृत्यानि प्रवात सेवा शीतांबु स्नेह अभ्यंग अजीर्णताम व्यायाम मैथुन चैव न सेवेत विरेचते एंड वृक्तस्य पथ्यार्थे पेयादि द्रव्याणि सालिषष्टिक मुदग यवगौ भाजयति कृत्यां जांगली विस्कराणां वा रसै शाल्योदनम हितम. And in our Suddhi, on first day, morning, no diet can be given to patient. In evening, by Peya can be given. In second day, on morning, Vilepi can be given. In second day, in evening, Krit Akrit use can be given. On third day or final day, Krit Akrit Ras can be given in morning, and in evening, patient can be take normal diet as per their Agni.